Today we're making an easy gingerbread oatmeal recipe. It's a quick and easy breakfast that is filling both for your soul and also for your body. It is still healthy, but it has all the heavy hitters of gingerbread, ginger and cinnamon and molasses and just a little bit of dark brown sugar to round out all those flavors and to really just like bring it home. I've topped it with raisins, but you could totally top it with dried cherries or pecans, whatever you love. It's just a super easy, delicious breakfast. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to be notified every time I post a new and delicious recipe. Let's get into it. So, it's really simple, guys. We've got rolled oats. Now I'm gonna make this on the stovetop, but you can also make this in the microwave. You just wanna make sure that you put it into a big enough bowl where it has space to boil. So you don't wanna put it like to the tippy top and then you're gonna have a sitch. And microwave sitches are the worst, am I right? So give it some space if you're gonna do it in the microwave. Our oats are in there. This is almond milk, unsweetened. You could use water, you can use regular milk, whatever you wanna use, totally up to you. We've got ourselves some cinnamon, it's the good stuff. We're getting to the good stuff over here. Got some ginger. And then I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of molasses. If you wanna make it like super diet, you could definitely just do 1. But molasses is kind of critical, it's mission critical to that gingerbread flavor. So she likes stick, just give her a little help. Gosh, now I need help. So I also have, this is 1 teaspoon of dark brown sugar. This is optional. It's really up to you. It does, because gingerbread is sweet. And so to get that full gingerbread effect, you do need a little bit of sweetness in addition to the molasses, but that's totally up to you and your personal preference for how healthy you'd like these to be. Just go ahead and give that a little stir. Yeah, I mean, nothing unexpected here. We're making oatmeal. Making oatmeal. All right, we're gonna take it, we're gonna pop it on the burner, kind of like medium, and we are gonna bring it to a boil. And then we're gonna let it boil until the oats are nice and light and tender, and it's like the consistency that you want it to be. All right, so you can see that it is boiling, and I turned it down to low. Oh, you wanna give it a stir every now and again. You're really trying to get those oats to absorb the moisture without, evaporating too much. You want it to be nice and thick and kind of like silky and beautiful. And the way to get to do that is a little bit kind of low and slow. It's tempting to rush them, but if you want to rush them, you should do it in the microwave. All right, so you can see our oatmeal has thickened. The oats are soft. You can, of course, if you like yours a little bit looser, you can, of course, add more milk to it. It's totally up to you. And then, of course, just transfer it to your bowl of choice. Now, you can top this with raisins, which is what I'm gonna do. You can, of course, add more brown sugar to your taste. Up to you. All right, so time to try. Yum. Yes. It has all of those flavors of gingerbread. It tastes like you're taking a bite of gingerbread, but it's healthy. And like the oats are soft and tender, and you get a nice creaminess from the use of alternative milk. It's like filling and just like it fills your soul also. It's like it has everything you need in the winter for just like that warm gingerbread hug. I mean, I'm just saying, it's kind of what it feels like.